Today I'm going to talk to you about how to set up and use your electric brake system on your caravan. In Western Australia, it is a legislated requirement that if your caravan is between 750 to 2,000 kilograms with its GTM, you must have brakes on at least one axle. If your GTM is over 2,000 kilograms, you must have brakes on all wheels and you must have a breakaway system. Most caravans on the road today are fitted with an electric brake system which activates in conjunction with the vehicle brakes. These systems come in a number of different configurations and types, including some that are fitted by the vehicle manufacturer. The degree of braking on the caravan can be adjusted via the brake controller. The braking on the caravan can also be activated independently to the vehicle brakes via the controller. If you need to have an electronic brake system fitted to your vehicle or your caravan, we strongly recommend that you get it done by a professional. To give you more of an idea of how electric braking systems work, I'm going to use this simulator from RedArc, which is a very common system utilised by caravanners. When you put your foot on the brake, the car brakes are activated. At the moment, there is no braking pressure going to the caravan because the adjustment is set on 0. If I want to see some braking on the caravan, I need to increase the intensity on my adjustment, put my foot on the brake, and you can now see that the caravan brakes are activating. If I increase the setting on the adjustment, you will see that the light intensity increases, which indicates that the braking intensity has also increased. If I want the caravan brakes to activate independently to the vehicle brakes, I just need to press the button. When I do this, the caravan brakes only activate. And this technique can be utilised if you're trying to control caravan sway. To set up your electric brakes, you'll need to go for a drive with your caravan and apply the brakes. The settings for your electric brakes will vary depending on your vehicle, your caravan, and its weight. The road condition can also influence how it's set. When you put your foot on the brakes in the vehicle, the front of the vehicle will drop down. If the caravan brakes are activating correctly, you should feel the back of the vehicle pull down as well. When setting the brakes up, start with your controller set on about 4. If you can't feel the caravan brakes activating, then you need to increase the intensity on the controller until you can feel them kicking in. If the caravan brakes are set too high, you will feel the brakes engage on the caravan aggressively. It'll come on with a very sudden and harsh application. If it's too harsh, just reduce the setting on the controller until it's more refined. As mentioned previously, the caravan brakes can be activated independently to the vehicle brakes. Now this is of significant importance when it comes to managing caravan sway. In previous videos, we've talked about the way to manage sway to prevent it from happening. But if it does occur, activating the caravan brakes independently to the vehicle brakes can help to bring it under control. If caravan sway does start to occur, our recommendation is to apply the caravan brakes 1 second on, 1 second off, and repeat this process until the sway is brought under control. Check out our other videos in this series for more information on safe towing. You can also join one of our RAC caravan safety sessions by clicking on the link in the description below.